This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
MLA ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP na pinthor umkra uba AL hek ubadeiru menteri hak sarkar MDA2 ulakam bagidan kinong mikmat na lor Nongïalam bahak khamat na Kiwei pat kiseng sanhima kibaladan ya kajing ekren ban Pynïasoh no iradi bat ka BJP haba pentip ya kani shikilat pathai kubor hak khatnyu tari ujiliu arhajar arpusan uba AL hek ulaong bayamenta kinap satang ya kapor kababiang bakinwan Pynïasoh no syakan ya ka party.
They will join. Now many also they have joined. They will join also. Many of them also they will join. But wait for that time.
Have you spoken to any big leaders, any big leaders?
We are in touch with many. Means
sitting MLAs or ex-MLAs?
Both sitting MLA, ex-MLA and prominent leaders of the states. We are discussing with them also. Only the right timing they will tell us. I told you, no, there are some of them. They are willing to join, but they are waiting for the time. Time is the best. No, I will not tell from which political party. We could not disclose the identity of anybody. But if they are willingly, they want to join the BJP, the door is open, and we welcome them.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.